What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. And hopefully you guys remember, but we are doing the Amazon gift card giveaway drawing. So that means in a couple of minutes, I'm going to be picking a lucky winner to see who has won this week's Amazon gift card giveaway. So stay tuned for that in a couple of minutes. More specifically, what we're also going to be looking at in today's episode is the kind of consolidation correction that's been happening within most of the major cryptocurrencies. If I show you guys super quickly here what XRP is starting to look like, you can see it almost appears as though we hit some sort of top resistance, pretty much getting stopped out of our positions here and are starting to correct downwards. This is something that kind of I was anticipating, or at least expecting to see happen within most of the major cryptos, as we've been heading up and up and up and up and up over the past couple of days here. And honestly, I think it's only a matter of time that we start to correct down or start to pull back down, because it's just honestly at this point kind of, in my opinion, becoming unhealthy, where we're so overbought. The correction is needed for us to continue to carry out moving forward here. So you can see the correction is starting to take place on XRP. The correction is starting to take place on Ethereum. The correction is starting on Bitcoin. And you can see the S&P 500 surprisingly is heading up, even though we've been correcting downwards here. But I'll speak more about that in a minute. But with that all being said, the time and the moment you've all been waiting for is obviously picking the Amazon gift card giveaway winner. So with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's see who the winner is. So guys, before I pick the winner, just really quickly, as you can tell, the background of my video is different. I am on travel for the next couple of days. Probably won't be seeing my normal setup until next week. It's going to be a few days that I am away from the office here. So videos will be similar to this. Bear with, just the difference here, but that will not change or impede on the content coming out every day. It should be every day. I'm sorry for yesterday. That was the biggest day of just sitting on the plane for a majority of the day, but we are back to it. So keep that in mind. Now, as for the winner here, you can see I've picked a video from this week. We have that entered right here. And for those that were wondering, it is currently, I picked a video, I think it had 2,400 views right here from 4 days ago. This is the video that I chose. And then you can see here I filtered duplicate users. So if you commented like 100 times, it would only count that as one vote. And then we've entered the sum. We have 47 unique winners, and all you need to do is comment subscribed and comment giveaway. If you've commented those two things, you will be available to win this gift card here. So I'm excited to see who it is. So unfortunately, they didn't comment it, so they cannot get it. We'll pick another winner, and eventually we'll land on one, and we'll know who the winner is. So let's see who we get. There we go. Razor385 is this week's winner. So Razor385, if you're watching this video, make sure to send me an email at cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. This way I can send you the Amazon gift card. All you need to do is send me that email and just take a screenshot of kind of the back end of your YouTube channel so I can make sure that it is you. But with that being said, let's dive into the technical analysis. And once again, shout out to Razor385 for winning today or this week's Amazon gift card giveaway. We'll be doing another one this week, starting Monday, starting tomorrow. So keep that in mind as well. Now, moving forward into today's video, you guys can see quick refresh, or I just want to show you the previous videos here. This was 2 days ago. We made a video basically saying we will hit $100,000 in Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies. And if you watched that video, hopefully you did, you would kind of get my general outlook, my price prediction for mid to end of 2024 into 2025, basically categorizing the fact that cryptocurrency should be seeing that, that halving, the Bitcoin halving this year. And typically what comes after the Bitcoin halving is major explosions to the upside. I've made videos on this in the past. I can go more in depth than I did yesterday. If you guys want to, let me know in the comments down below, and I can show you guys some charts of typically what happens to the market after the halving actually comes, because it is pretty incredible to see where it kind of takes cryptocurrency. So I'm excited overall for crypto in general here. We're doing extremely well, and we're pumping. I mean, Bitcoin's over $43,000 to begin with here. So if that doesn't scream to you that crypto is starting to come back, it's no surprise to me, but that it should be a sign to you that we are by no means dead, and the sleeping giant is finally starting to wake up, which is exciting. But to talk about the short term here, you can see top 10 cryptos. The market is currently up 1.63. We're at 1.63 trillion. Fear and greed index is 80 on the fear and greed index here. Consolidation is running rampant right now through cryptocurrency. We're either peaking or flatlining out on most of these major cryptocurrencies. Sideways trading is definitely taking over across the board here, which is totally fine if you ask me. I'm not really too worried. I almost anticipated and expected to see this kind of consolidation because it's necessary, it's healthy, and it's needed. It is needed if we want to continue to head up higher. I've been saying this time and time again. Basically, the way these markets have been trading here is they're starting to peak. We've been floating higher and higher and higher since breakout for quite some time now here, and it is not healthy to continue to pump higher here. We need a healthy pullback in order to head up even higher. You can see from breakout here, we've actually managed to swing up 15%, which, as incredible as it is for XRP, a correction down to the bottom is necessary if we want to continue to head up higher. So the fact that we're starting to see that today is definitely an exciting factor, if you ask me. Just a small pullback. It's not going to be some incredible one, but it's enough that it can set us back a little bit, give us a bit more freedom on the relative strength indicator to head up even higher. You can see we were trading at 70 on the relative strength indicator, hitting overbought, trading at 69 cents here. We corrected back down to 65 cents, and it's lowered ourselves from 70 to 60 on the relative strength indicator. We need to see this across the board, as this is what I've been saying time and time again, that markets need to correct. I've been waiting patiently for this to happen here for a while now. But again, just because we're correcting short term doesn't mean, we're like going to see a major dump in the market. No, we need to see a healthy pullback. These small little hiccups actually allow us to head up even higher. You can see we've had it happen numerous times in the past for XRP. Like we had this breakout here, but then we saw consolidation here, and that allowed us to head up even higher. And that's exactly what I'm saying is going to happen now. That's what I expect to see happen now. You can see across the board here, we're now entering the 5th confirmed breakout on XRP. I would 100% say at this point it is confirmed. It was the easiest way to capitalize on this movement here. You can see we've been tracking it since early January of 2023 here. First breakout right here, bull flag, second, third, fourth. Here we are on the 5th. And once we saw the confirmation closure above major resistance right here, this was that opportunity to buy in and start to long it to the upside here. So the second we saw this break us right here, that's when we entered a trade and were able to long it to the upside here, slowly moving that stop loss up and up and up, obviously taking profits as we went up. And with this little hiccup right here, we did get stopped out short term, but I think we're going to have an opportunity to buy back in very, very, very soon. So I'm excited to see how that decides to play out because I think it's going to bring some pretty solid returns on our investments very soon. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi lets us buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you would want on an exchange is offered on BitFi, which means we can actually leverage trade XRP. As you guys can see, XRP is pulled up right here. We can stop loss, create take profits, create stop losses. They even have leverage, as I've said before here. What's even cooler is they have a way to earn up to $2,888 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below. So make sure to check that out ASAP if you want to earn some free cryptos. My other favorite part that they finally re-added after months of asking, they've added a demo trading account, which means you guys can now trade around risk-free, follow my trades completely risk-free with the demo account here. You click right here. You go over to the sample XRP charts here, and you can now leverage trade XRP with zero risk to learn your skills, to test your skills, to get familiar with the platform here. Then when you're ready, you can start using real cryptocurrency. So I think it's awesome that they brought back the demo account because I feel like that's what really separated BitFi from all the competition was the opportunity to follow along with my trades using a demo account, a risk-free way of trading, which is very exciting to me. But as you can see, markets are starting to come back up. This is very exciting if you ask me. Long term, you can see we're starting to pull back up from bottom of this year, it was 2022. We had a low point of like $979, and you can see we've now managed to pull ourselves back up to here, up 157%. It was an incredible, easy opportunity to buy in on. But as I've said before, we're starting to become overbought short term, which means correction right now is definitely a necessity for us short term. for us to continue to head back up. I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen very soon, and that will allow us to scale ourselves even higher in the market. So expect to see some short opportunities, if anything, like we might have to fall a little bit lower within a lot of these cryptos, retest, rebound, moving average here for us to head back up, something along those lines for Ethereum, XRP, and even Bitcoin here. I mean, we can obviously head up higher. We're starting to consolidate here. I don't have the best kind of technical indicator, on XRP, on Bitcoin. It's super aggressive because we're trading these things on the 4-hour charts here. Like, I mean, it does not look plausible in any way. You can see we formed another descending fractal. Like, I can't extend it out here. At the most, we can just put another fractal here and then another fractal here. And this is like the most we can do. And you can kind of see we are forming stair-stepping patterns to the upside, retesting moving average on the hourly charts. But again, that's hourly. 4-hour, we don't look too bad here, but we are extremely, overextended from moving average, but we are pulling back down. So it's definitely a good sign. You can see when we were trading at 44,000, we were hitting like 80 on the relative strength indicator. Well, now we're trading at 43,800, down $200. We're back down to 58, which is definitely an exciting factor, an exciting play that we've had here. But we are still overbought, but we are consolidating and lowering ourselves on that relative strength indicator, which should hopefully allow us to head up even higher. And then the S&P 500 is doing the same thing. We actually went higher yesterday than we've had ever, which is incredible if you ask me here. You can see this is the break-even point that we're trying to go. The goal is to get to in yellow here. We're very close, and we will be breaking through that for the start of 2024, which is exciting if you ask me. But constant consolidation is running rampant right now. We do need to let this play out, and hopefully by the end of it, us playing this out here, we will start to stem up and pull and pump even higher here. So consolidation is healthy. It's normal. It needs to happen for the next couple of days, if not week or two. That will lower ourselves on the RSI, lower ourselves on the Fear and Greed Index, and then we can start to pump back up and put the pedals back to the metal and head up even higher, because 2024 and 2025 are extremely bullish for cryptocurrency. Now, that's going to wrap up today's video. Remember, guys, Razor385, make sure to send me an email at cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. You can find it in the description down below, so I can send you that gift card giveaway here. And with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow's video. Peace.